Hi kids, welcome to Learning with Maliha. In this video, we will know about robotics. So what is robotics? Robotics is the branch of science focused on learning about and creating robots or machines that can do work. In other words, robotics is the study of robots. Do you know what is robot? A robot is a programmable machine able to imitate the actions or appearance of an intelligent creature. To be called a robot, a machine has to be able to sense, that is, to gather information, think, use that information, and act, means to work upon. Robots have many kinds and shapes according to their demand of work. This is the anatomy of a robot. Our next question is, who creates robot? Engineers, computer scientists, and mathematicians create robots. However, these experts often work together to design, build, program, and create robots, as well as electrical or solar power sources that allow robots to move and function. People who make robots are called roboticists. They design robots using computers. They create the robot's brain, the central computer that tells it what to do. Roboticists are generally involved in the design, programming, construction, and testing of robots. They can work on any stage of development, from creating software to building hardware and troubleshooting the finished product. Roboticists figure out how the brain will control the rest of the robot with electrical signals. They also design parts such as sensors so the robot can see and touch things. A roboticist may have to try several different designs before finding one that works. They are good at solving problems. They think about the ways robots can help people. Why is robotics important? Robotics is important because it creates a variety of robots or machines that can do important work that keep us healthy and makes job easier. Doctors in the healthcare field use robotics to help perform surgeries that save lives. The automobile industry uses robots to build cars step by step. You even have robots in your home. Even your washing machine is a robot that does a simple task, cleaning clothes, that would take humans much longer to do. Robotics also plays an important role in exploring space and the sea. Some areas of outer space are too dangerous for astronauts to explore on their own. As a result, robots were created to explore other planets and take pictures and videos to help us to understand and learn more. Robots can also explore very deep parts of the oceans and provide us with important information. Next comes the evolution of robots. You can see how robots evolved from simple to sophisticated ones. Researchers built the first robot about 50 years ago, but people had been thinking about mechanical humans for a long time. Types of robots. Robots may have different types according to the role they perform, like mobile robots, industrial robot, autonomous robot, remote control robot. Next comes the application of robotics. As you already know, robots are machines that can sense and react to the world around them. Humans build and program robots. Humans control some robots, others can perform tasks on their own. Some robots look like people, others are simple giant arms used in the factories. Tiny robots called nanorobots can move in very small spaces. Many robots do work that is too dangerous or difficult for people to do. Meet this robot worker. At the restaurant in China, a robot greets everyone who comes inside. Robot servers deliver food to the tables and a robot singer entertains people while they eat. Robots like these seems very smart, but are they? What you cannot see are the humans that operate them. They are back in the kitchen behind the scenes. And this guy is the autonomous robot. It works in many environments. People use them for education, entertainment, and security. Factory robots do not make mistakes as humans do. Robots do their task the same way every time. The robot Eureka can have conversation with people about many different topics. A robot that looks like a person is called a humanoid robot. And this is a picture of Kendrium 2. It captures a spacecraft filled with supplies for the ISS, that is International Space Station. And this is not a wobbly man, it's a robonaut, a robot astronaut. R2 can grasp handheld tools and lift up to 40 pounds. It does not need to sleep or eat or go to the bathroom like people do. This illustration shows a rover on the surface of Mars. This robotic dog uses an infrared sensor to play with the ball. How cute it is. Researchers in Spain created this robot known as Girona 500. It can travel alone underwater to study the seafloor. Robot vacuum cleaner use infrared sensors and contact sensors to move around your home. And this is the robotic lawn mower. A wire around the edges of the lawn acts as an invisible fence for the robot lawn mower. That was, it does not wander into street or the neighbor's yard. This robot can dance. It has a sensor to track motion and help it stay balanced. Now enjoy this dance for a while. Car companies depend on robotic arms to do dozens of jobs. These factory robots are welding together metal parts. Robot snakes, called snake boards, can climb trees and swim too. Doctors use tiny snake boards during some surgeries because they can curve around body organs. The another picture is L53 is being designed for the US Army to carry heavy packs for the soldiers. Just resembles to the dog. This is the picture of Kurata's robot. It is the biggest robot ever made. You have to climb high to sit in the control seat of this 13-foot tall robot. She is not a real teacher. It is robot named Saya. School children in Tokyo, Japan answer questions from their Android teacher, Saya. Future of robots. Nanorobots filled with small amounts of medicine might one day float through the person's bloodstream. Telesurgery or remote surgery is an emerging surgical tool that utilizes both robotic technology and wireless networking to connect patients and surgeons who are geographically distant. This is the picture of Kilobots. Amazon announces its first fully autonomous mobile warehouse robot. Elon Musk's humanoid Tesla robot will be ready this year. A humanoid robot is a robot resembling the human body in shape. The design may be for functional purposes such as interacting with human tools and environments. The name of this humanoid robot is Tesla Optimus. This is the picture of robocars, a self-driving car also known as autonomous vehicles or autonomous car, driverless cars or robotic car. Several companies are developing robotic cars that drive themselves, covered with sensors. Robocars are safer and use less gas than the cars we drive today. Mostly they are electric, so environment friendly too. A robotist named Cynthia Brazil taught her robot Kismet about feelings. When she started, Kismet was just like a baby. She programmed it to like brightly colored toys and people and to want to rest at times. She gave it 16 computers and many camera sensors for sight. You can build boards too. AI for youngsters is a hands-on way for children to learn STEM concepts. They learn how to program, design, and build their own robots. Thank you for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe my channel Learning with Maliha.